There you go. It's the same with regards to the account, campaign, and ad group. I'll go at account level. Let's say you do pizza delivery. So we do free delivery. Let's say you have a restaurant as well and you offer free car parking. Let's say you offer 15% off on, let's do home delivery. So each call out has a maximum character count of 25 characters. And as you start typing in, you can see the number of characters. So you get the gist how we do this. You can have a happy hour every Tuesday 6 to 7 or something like that. If I want to make it better, Tuesday 7 p.m. that sounds good and okay. Once I've done this, I don't need to worry about ever touching this. That is it. But if you got some callouts which are only applicable to a certain campaign or ad group, then you can set them up, but then you will need to manage them as and when you create new campaigns and new ad groups. Majority of the time, I've seen that these callouts are applicable at account level, and that's all you need to do and nothing else. Save it and your callouts are done. And this using extensions or ad extensions are Google's best practices. You must use it as many as you possibly can. And whenever you can set them up at account level, you set them up and set and forget, and that's it. That's what you do to create all these extensions.